Air quality manifests itself now in regulation, both in terms of the IMO's 2020 sulfur cap, and also that covers international waters, and also more regional emission control areas, which are increasingly being developed around the world to control the emissions of SOx and NOx. So they need to understand, there's a growing regulatory pressure license to operate, which they need to understand. There is also growing environmental awareness from consumers, and that manifests itself in pressure throughout the sort of supply chain. And regulation is not static, so one would assume that regulation will respond further to consumer pressure, political pressure, and we can only see regulations becoming more stringent in the future, which should favour LNG because of its outstanding local emissions performance. International shipping fell outside the sort of Paris Accord. There's been a lot of pressure on shipping to actually decarbonize in line with the Paris agreements. The IMO has set some targets. How those will be enforced is still an open question. But the targets, and the target for 2050 is a 50% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions from the international shipping industry by 2050 compared to 2008, with moves to align with the broader global agreements of the Paris Accord going forward.
ThinkStep, combining data, software, and consultancy services for a more sustainable planet.